Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the shapes on your Canva on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert a shape on your Canva mobile just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, open a design here and click on the elements. After click on the elements, you can just search directly. For an example, I just need a circle. You can just search a circle on the element on the top. Otherwise, go to the shape option, click on the see all option. Now swipe down, you can find all the different type of shapes. Just click on any shapes, you can just insert it like this. So again, you're just going to add another shape here like this, and just resize this and just place wherever you just need it. So you're just going to add some circle or some other shapes like this, and just going to resize this and just place it here. Now you just need to customize the color. Click on the color option here on the bottom, so you can just easily change the color of the entire things like this. And also there is a lot other more customization option, like you can just change the style of the border, and you can just change the width like this. You can see how I just going to create this. And also the border color also can be adjusted like this, so you have created a different shape here. And also the corners can be adjusted like this. You can see the corner has been changing here. And also there is a lot of other option while just swiping here. You can see the format spacing and also the animation can be added like this for a particular shapes. This is how you just insert a shape on your Canva on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.